Did you miss me? Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today we have a good old-fashioned unboxing. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below, ring that bell, so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, it has been a minute. Not gonna be on YouTube as often as I was. I actually have a secret YouTube TikTok channel where shit has nothing to do with luxury, so maybe you'll find me on there. But I thought I would jump back on here from time to time to like show you some pretty bags and talk about those. So let's open up this newest one to my collection. This is a bag that is actually brand new, and it might not be everybody's cup of tea. I have been just buying bags that speak to me, kind of like back when I first started, instead of looking at all the fuss. But this is a brand new bag. I have seen some people carry it. Maybe there's a little bit of fuss with it, but maybe not this particular model of the bag. You let me know if you think there's a fuss. It's a Chloé bag. Let's open her up. She is brand new. I never normally buy Chloé bags brand new, but this one was one I just had to have. She's so pretty. This is the Chloé bracelet bag in the black suede gold hardware with the snake, guys. This has the snake on it, and I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. I love Hobo bags. I love bucket bags. This has kind of been my thing. And this one, it looks like jewelry. So you have this. Oh, and this even opens up. I didn't know it did that. So that opens up and it's a bracelet, and it has this strap with it so you can wear it like crossbody and everything. Just have a moment. I need to sniff my bag. Just like talk amongst yourselves while I sniff. Oh, it looks so amazing. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, that was butter. That was butter. Now this bag retails for $3,000. I didn't pay that because it's me. Even though I got it brand new, I got it from, I think it's called Sitar. I'll put the link down below for you. But I did pay $2,000 for this bag. I have sold a few things, a bunch of things, and I had around $2,000 to burn. So that's why I made the plunge. So we have the Chloé tag here. This is made in Italy. Okay, they have it stuffed. We like to see it. Oh, the inside is all leather, and it just has a pocket back here. And look at this tag. And it has a cute like little Chloé right there. Let's try her on. Let's get some close-up shots of her. First impressions, we love it. She feels really good. You can wear her in the crook of your arm as a bracelet bag, because I think I'm gonna wear it more like with the bracelet, and I'll probably remove these straps. Here's what I'm thinking, but let's just see. Let's just see the vibes. So I think this has good vibes. Let's see. Oh, I love that. That looks actually pretty amazing. Okay, this is on a lower setting, so I might have to do crossbody. Yeah, you'd have to make it. You can do crossbody. I'll just have to make the settings longer if I want to do that. I don't know if I would do crossbody. I kind of like the look of it just like as a shoulder bag, just slung over my shoulder. What do you guys think? Here's the close-up. But this is what like sold me on it. So I saw it, I'm like, oh, this is cute. And I thought about trying to find a vintage one because you can get these vintage. But then I saw this, guys. This is everything. This is so cute and so cool. And here is this part, it just opens up. So like, technically you can take this off, which I didn't realize when I saw it, because I actually didn't watch a video on it, and I normally watch videos on these types of bags, but it's just one of those things I wanted to go for it. But yeah, it looks like this can be removed like this, and then it changes the look of the bag. So let's see, let's remove it. So remove that, and now it changes the look of the bag. And if I wore it like crossbody, you no longer have that metal that could be up there. Oh, that's genius. Oh, we like that. Look at that. So it completely changes. Like, see, this is why it's $3,000. We got versatility. Oh man, I just love the look of this. And it is the beautiful suede. This zipper is butter. And look in there. And it can fit everything you need. And the inside, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Look at that. The inside, again, it just has a pocket. It is so stinking soft. Oh, I love it. Here, can you see the little Chloé? Oh, right there. It's so cute. Okay, let's Let's put her bracelet back on. And her bracelet is back on, guys. I didn't even realize it did that, because when I first saw it, I thought there's no way I'm gonna wear this bag with the straps, because I just didn't think they look cute like this. So I didn't think I could switch back and forth very fast. So I was like, I'm gonna remove it and just hold it like a bracelet bag, because I loved when I saw the pictures of people with the bracelet bag just holding it like this. I thought, well, if I wear it like this, then this is gonna be like jabbing into me, and I don't want the metal clanging up against me. But it's removable, guys. Like, that is pretty cool. So what do you guys think of this beauty? I am very excited. I haven't been excited about a new bag in a while. I normally buy secondhand. I do have a huge collection, so I don't really feel like I'm lacking anything, but I'm definitely gonna add fun. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous and fun, and I absolutely love it. I'm not scared of suede. I even like when suede has a little bit of wear to it, especially with the slouch. It is absolutely amazing. Okay, guys, that is everything. And let me know, is this a bag that's on your radar? Are there any other cool like Chloé bags that are coming out, or bags that are inspiring you? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.